For centuries, the donkey was known only as a beast of burden, but today it is a powerhouse.
It is now the center of a sophisticated global industry worth billions of dollars in various world markets.
From liquid gold milk that rivals human breast milk to premium leather, every part is utilized here today.
Today, we take you inside a modern donkey mega factory to witness the full process of extraction.
The process begins at a large-scale breeding facility, where thousands of donkeys are raised under strict supervision.
Unlike traditional farms, these facilities use electronic identification tags to monitor each animal's health and growth rate. This real-time data allows for precise livestock management, ensuring that every animal receives exactly what it needs.
To ensure the highest quality of milk, donkeys are fed a specialized diet of fortified forage minerals.
This precision farming is absolutely essential for the industry's gold standard output and high-end consumer luxury products.
The most delicate wing of the factory is the automated milking parlor, where the extraction begins daily.
Donkey milk is incredibly rare because a single female only produces about 1 to 2 liters daily.
Because it is rich in vitamins and lysozyme, a natural antibiotic, the milk is treated with care.
The milk is moved instantly through stainless steel pipes, directly into the facility's advanced cold filtration zone. Here it undergoes high-temperature short-time pasteurization to kill bacteria while preserving its incredibly fragile natural nutrients.
Most of this milk is then sent directly to freeze-drying chambers to be converted into high-end powder.
This powder is used in luxury skincare products and medical-grade infant formula for the international premium market.
The value of this powder is immense, serving specialized industries that require the highest biological purity possible.
As the animals reach maturity, they enter the automated meat processing line to fulfill global protein demand.
Donkey meat is prized for being extremely low in fat and exceptionally high in iron and protein. Inside the climate-controlled facility, specialized machinery performs the skinning and carcass dressing with surgical industrial precision.
The meat is then categorized into different cuts, depending on the final destination.
While some are sent to the flash freezing tunnel for global export, others go to the curing room.
Premium cuts are moved to the curing room, where they are seasoned and air-dried for gourmet products.
These specialized, health-focused meat products are a delicacy.
The most valuable part of the donkey is often its skin, which is treated with extreme care. In this wing, the skins are carefully removed to ensure there are no punctures or unsightly tears. The high-quality outer grain is sent to the tannery, where it is transformed into durable, lightweight leather.
This leather is used for premium shoes and accessories that require strength without adding any unnecessary weight.
Second, the collagen-rich inner layer is processed in extraction vats to produce ejiao, a traditional gelatin.
This extraction involves a complex 48-hour boiling and filtration cycle to ensure a high-value concentration.
Nothing goes to waste in a modern donkey factory, with hooves and bones sent to the refinery.
These are ground into high-nitrogen fertilizers and industrial glues, making the entire operation a zero-waste success.
In the final stage, every batch of milk and meat passes through the molecular testing lab.
Technicians use PCR and mass spectrometry to verify purity and ensure products meet stringent international safety regulations. This ensures all products meet the health and safety requirements for international trade and global consumer confidence. The donkey has transitioned from a humble farm animal to a pillar of modern industrial bioscience technology.
Its unique biological properties are fueling new markets in health, fashion, and advanced food technology around the world.
Would you try donkey milk skincare, or are you more interested in its high-protein organic meat products? For more deep dives into the world's most surprising modern factories, subscribe and turn on all notifications. Every batch of feed is tested for toxins to ensure that the animals produce the highest quality.
Automated hygiene systems maintain a sterile environment, preventing the spread of disease within the massive donkey herds.
Advanced software analyzes movement patterns to detect signs of stress, ensuring the welfare of every individual animal.
Breeding programs are managed with scientific precision to maintain genetic diversity and the overall health of the.
Fresh milk is transported in specialized tankers that maintain a constant temperature during the short trip too. Flow sensors ensure that every milliliter of milk is processed evenly, preventing any hot spots during pasteurization. Vacuum sublimation removes moisture without applying heat, which is the key to preserving the milk's biological activity. Perfectly uniform particle size is required for the milk powder to dissolve instantly in premium infant formula. Luxury packaging lines move with high speed, preparing thousands of units for high-end boutiques across the globe. The meat line is a marvel of industrial engineering, processing animals with minimal human intervention and waste. Before cutting, every carcass is scanned to determine the most efficient path for the automated robotic saws. Exact portioning ensures that every export package contains the precise weight required by international food distribution standards. Humidity must be kept at 65% to allow the meat to cure without any surface mold.
Vacuum packaging extends the shelf life of gourmet meat products, allowing them to travel safely to international. Each hide is inspected for consistency, ensuring that only the smoothest leather reaches the high-fashion accessory market.
Computerized laser cutters maximize the yield of every hide, reducing leather scrap waste to less than 2.
Infrared sensors monitor the vat temperatures to ensure the collagen is extracted without burning the delicate gelatin. Hydraulic presses remove air bubbles from the gelatin, resulting in a dense, high-purity final product for medicine.
Multi-stage filtration is the key to creating EGL that is free from any impurities or cellular debris.
Sorted byproducts are stored in a climate-controlled warehouse before being shipped to industrial glue and fertilizer manufacturers.
DNA sequencing confirms the species origin of every product, preventing any fraud in the high-value gelatin market.
Solar panels on the factory roof provide nearly 40% of the energy required for this operation.
Every chemical signature is verified to ensure that no pesticides or antibiotics are present in the final.
The sustainable farm seal is only applied after every laboratory test has been passed with perfect scores.
Water used in the tanning and boiling processes is treated on-site until it is pure once again.
High-pressure steam kills any bacteria on the equipment, maintaining the factory's strict pharmaceutical-grade hygiene standards during production.
Timing is critical, with products often reaching international airports just hours after the final laboratory quality checks. Consumers are willing to pay a premium for donkey leather due to its rarity and legendary durability.
The factory is designed to be a silent and efficient part of the landscape, minimizing noise and
future generations of donkeys are raised with the same care and precision as the current milking herd. Medicinal products are packaged in sterile environments to prevent any contamination before they reach the hospital pharmacy.
Global logistics software tracks every crate, ensuring that the cold chain remains intact from factory to consumer.
Centrifugal filtration removes even the smallest particles from the milk, leaving behind only the pure liquid gold.
Regular maintenance prevents any downtime in the factory, ensuring that the milking schedule is never, ever interrupted.
These steaks are vacuum sealed at the peak of freshness, locking in the high iron and protein content.
Every gourmet meat box is finished with a wax seal, representing the high-end status of the product.
Donkey leather is tested for strength and flexibility, outperforming many other types of hide in industrial tests.
The facility operates 24 hours a day, maintaining a constant flow of high-value donkey products for export. Modern testing ensures that every product is authentic, protecting the reputation of this multi-billion-dollar industrial sector.
The pH must be perfectly balanced to ensure the gelatin is safe for long-term storage and consumption. Robotic stacking increases efficiency, allowing the factory to ship hundreds of tons of organic fertilizer every month. The reach of the donkey megafactory is truly global, connecting remote breeding grounds to major world cities.
Parents around the world trust donkey milk formula for its natural antibiotic properties and high vitamin content levels.
Precision sensors are the heart of the automated milking parlor, requiring daily cleaning to ensure total accuracy. Meeting every health and safety regulation is the final step before products can be legally sold internationally.
Energy storage ensures the factory can continue operating even during power outages, protecting the fragile biological products.
Virtual reality training allows workers to master complex industrial machinery without any risk of injury or waste. The relationship between the humble donkey and modern technology is a testament to human-led industrial innovation today.